Yo, what's going on YouTube? This your boy Anthony here, back with another video. And if you don't know, now you know that your boy finally installed all the stuff that he had on his car, except for one thing. I didn't get to the side skirts yet, but so far I installed the main things that I care about. So jump into this with me. Right now, I know that's what y'all care about. He got the big wing installed. It only took about 30 minutes actually. It really wasn't that bad. I got this splitter, of course. If this is your first time seeing this video from C7 Carbon, if you guys interested in getting this type from C7 Carbon, you will have to install these pillars right here. They do not come from the factory like that. From them, you will have to install them yourself. But I was able to install this successfully. It was pretty much easy, and thanks to Midnight Tint and Vinyl, I have a clear broad, so anybody can touch it whenever they around the area close to seeing me. You want to touch it and see what it looked like in person, feel free to do so. And also right here, what I got is the ZL1 1LE splitter. So y'all tell me what y'all think about that, man. Like, I think it looked good. The carbon fiber makes it stand out. You will not see another Camaro, or I will not see another Camaro on the road so far in my area that has this. And this is pretty simple install. You would have to install these too, you know, to get that flare. And yeah, that's pretty much it that I've done so far. I have the side skirts that I'm installed down here pretty soon this weekend. But pretty much this is an update on the car. So this is how it looks now. The spoiler makes a hell of a difference, man. I can't even tell y'all. Like, ever since I pulled it out and got it installed in the car, I love this car more than ever. Way more than ever. And the crazy part, like, I barely could see out the back of it. I didn't know how big this wing was on the outside till I got in the inside of the car. So let me show you guys that too. But this is pretty crazy, man. Like, look at that. Like, you can barely... It's half the windshield. It's half of the back seat windshield, man. Like, that is pretty crazy. Now, I was looking at other ones like the JW Motorsports. I don't know how those look or how those work, or I had never seen anybody install around my area. So can't wait to see other people install the ZL1 1LE spoilers from different manufacturers, so I can get a feel of it. I know a lot of people are not feeling paying that $3K for the OEM ZL1 1LE spoiler. So this is a good option. I pretty much got this here for about $1,000. So I think it's pretty reasonable. And stay tuned for more videos, because so far I'm going to, you know, show the video of what it looked like on the car when it's riding at high speeds. I want to answer some questions too in the Camaro 6 forum too, where people wasn't sure that you need a reinforced trunk lid or not. So I'm taking it to the track in May. So I will be doing high speeds there, and then I will review the trunk and show you guys were there any dents or did I have any issues with it, which I don't think I will not, because nothing haven't came up so far that I've been reading and catching up on. So I'll be keeping you guys informed with that. And also I will let you know about the downforce, because so far this is going to add, the front is a complete different downforce from any other splitter that you install. Most people install their splitter underneath the bumper. It's just here underneath this piece, but this here lays across and flares out just like the ZL1 1LE. So I cannot wait to get it on the track, see how well it performs. And plus, I have a buddy that has a ZL1 1LE, so hopefully I get some footage with both of us riding, so we can see how well they perform. So thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for more. Holla.